The four-station bead winding machine is a highly automated and critical piece of equipment in the tire manufacturing industry, specifically designed for the efficient and continuous production of tire beads, the steel wire reinforcement loops inside the tire. It automates the entire process of wire feeding, winding, rubber coating, cutting, and unloading, ultimately forming completed bead rings. By utilizing four independent working stations in a cyclic operation, this equipment maximizes production efficiency and ensures strict geometric precision.